Good morning, my name is Rocio Parra and I'm going to lead this meeting of director. We are going to follow the agenda and we have three topics that we must discuss. In first place, we are going to talk about the new drug of river blindness. The disease is being developed mainly in Africa, and the company is developing a drug to combat the disease, but this requires an invest of $10 million, and this drug will be ready in 10 years. One of the main problems that we have is that the people that is being affected by the disease are not being able to afford the drug. Lady, what are your opinion about this situation?
Thank you, Rocio. My name is Lady Galvis. I am Director of Universal Pharmaceuticals. In the first ethical dilemma, I believe that it's necessary to pay for research. Regardless of the gain, an association recovers monetary investment. The most important for these cases is development of science for the people.
Thank you. And you, Pablo, what do you think?
Good morning, I'm Pablo Murillo and I'm part of the board of directors of the company. I think that if we analyze the situation of the company nowadays, one of the obvious conclusions is that since we've been under a lot of pressure in the last years, I don't think that the more reasonable thing to do is to invest right now. The drug study requires a lot of money, and the market study proves that we don't know if we're going to recover the inversion.
Thank you, Pablo. So, the next topic in our agenda is about the result of PS200. The drug showed amazing result in patients that suffer low blood pressure. But the recent series of tests come up with disappointing results. A lot of patients present breathing difficulties and unpleasant side effects. Then, should we publish these results? Pablo, please give me your opinion.
Well, I think that since the drug have positive results in patients that suffer lower blood pressure, I think that we need to put the drug into the market, but we need to inform our patients about the side effects of the drug.
Okay, and you lady?
In the second case study, I propose make public the results of these tests. It's important for our company show that the experience for some patients is bad with severe breathing difficulties. It's necessary to continue to invest for best results.
Okay, thank you. Finally, in the three case, Universal Pharmaceutical has been developing a new diet drink that will help people to lose weight. The drink has been tested on animals, but some become sick in the early trials. But drink could be perfect. But Pablo, Universal Pharmaceutical should continue to test this product on animals or try to develop in without you using them.
I think that we need to stop using animals for the study because in first place it's against the law and we need to be very careful to avoid problems with our brand. I think that since the diet drinks looks good, we need to find out a way to develop the drink but without using animals, using another studies.
Well, and what is your opinion, lady?
And finally, I believe that these drugs should not put in the market, and I advise don't use the animal for this study, but it's important don't expose the life of people.
Okay, thank you so much. Then, as a conclusion of the meeting on the board of directors, we decided that we are not going to continue with the production of the river license for the reason that they explained recently. In the second point on the agenda, we decide to continue with the PS200 and publish the result of the study. And in the third case, we decide to stop the experiment with animals, but keep going with the investigation using other ways.